The biggest tech companies are using your data to sell products to you. So why can't you use your data for yourself, for your own benefits? As I said in my previous video, bullet journaling is all about organizing your tasks, events, thoughts, ideas. And why is organization important? Organization is important so that you can improve your focus in a particular work. And I'm telling you, current generations as well as the coming generations would suck at focusing a lot because there are so many distractions. First, you need to understand that why bullet journaling is important. And to understand why bullet journaling is important, first you need to understand what is the basic difference between planner, diary, journal, and a bullet journal. A diary is all about your secrets. A planner is all about professional reasons. A journal is all about organizing your thoughts and recording and jotting down inspiration. But a bullet journal doesn't restrict you to these things. It is your space. It is your own personal space. It doesn't have a particular professional or a personal reason. You can do whatever you want. If you maintain a different planner, a different journal, a different diary, and at the end of year, when you summarize these all things, what you would get is a bullet journal. And if you want to know more what is a bullet journal, then you should check out my previous video. I'll link it in the I button. So what are the benefits of bullet journaling and why you should bullet journal? So the first thing is that bullet journaling makes you very mindful. It helps you to personally organize yourself and helps you to reconnect with yourself. And it is an analog system for the digital age. It helps you to explore your own potential. In our life, two most important resources are time and energy. And if you can organize this very prudently and make good decisions with this, then ultimately it results to a very good time management. It helps you to live life intentionally, and intentionality comes with the power of your mind to direct yourself to a specific purpose. It helps you to learn prioritization, and I used to maintain different lists and in various different note-keeping apps, and honestly it didn't work for me, but it is always a very good. It is much better to have everything in one notebook. It is like a journey documentation while exploring the creative side of yourself. One of the most useful thing of bullet journal is trackers. Many bullet journalists use trackers, and it helps you to collect your own data. However, trackers don't work for a long period of time, so it is always better to use them for a short-term goal. It is like collecting your own personal data, and which is really very helpful for self-analysis. Bullet journaling is all about having your own data. The biggest tech companies are using your data to sell products to you. So why can't you use your data for yourself, for your own benefits? The biggest problem with the data of the tech companies is that it tells you who you are and not what you want to be. The scope of self-development becomes very less, and to get rid of past self becomes more and more difficult. Even when I speak of all these benefits, you will experience the real benefits only when you start your own bullet journal. So, if you want to know how to start bullet journaling, stay tuned to this channel. I'll be uploading a series of videos on how to bullet journal, and subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. Stay tuned. Thank you so much.